Guys, welcome to AutoCAD construction channel. Today's video is all about how to draw a simple bedroom by applying the inches and then the feet. These inches and feet are very important because when you are drawing, you have to know the exact size of the room or the plan that you are drawing, because without knowing these feet and the inches, you cannot know the exact size or the exact size of the building plan or the room size that you are drawing. So I recommend you that you have to watch this video in order to know how to apply the inches and then the feet whilst drawing. Okay, let's start. So the first thing that I'm trying to do right now is to just a few seconds to pop up my on-screen keyboard. Now this is my on-screen keyboard. Now I'm using a QWERTY keyboard, but actually I don't know what type of keyboard that you people are using. But what I'm trying to tell, or I'm trying to say, is that you see this enter key and then shift key, this shift key and then enter key. Now there are some certain keys, maybe 3 or 4 keys or 5 keys behind this enter key and then shift key. Now this is the up arrow, this is the arrow keys. I'm not talking of this arrow key on your keyboard, because this is on screen keyboard, that's why they just put this arrow here. Now on your keyboard, now on the keyboard, these arrow keys are here at this place. So on the shift key and then the enter key on your keyboard, you can see that there are some certain keys. There are some certain keys around or behind this enter and shift key. Maybe most of them are semicolon, comma, and then one of them represent the feet key. The feet key. Most of people use the foot key, the feet key. That's whatever you say it or whatever you call it is up to you. Now the feet key. Now this is now on my keyboard. This is my feet key. This is my feet key, and then this shift key plus this feet key will give me the inches key. So when I want to apply the inches key, I'll just press on this shift key plus the inches key, so that I can get my this feet key plus this foot key or feet key, so that I can get my inches measurement. That's what I mean. So right now let's get back to drawing, and then let me teach you how to apply it. Okay, so right now let me just take this once and for all. If you want to design, or if you want to add a door or a window, you just go to design, you go to door, you add door. Now the moment it has been added, but it has not been activated, so you activate it by right clicking, and then you see that here is it as this one. You just rotate it to the exact place, or if you want it like this or like this, whatever you use. Let me just bring it downwards so it will go again. Have you seen? Yeah. Now again, I'll go to design, window, I'll add my window. I'll left click it. You see that my window is there. You see that here is my window. So I want to extend the length of the window. I'll just hold and drag it and extend it. Now I'll just type the length of the window that I want. Assuming I want 5 feet, I'll just type 5, and then the feet key that you see here is the 5 and then the 50 key. I'll press spacebar, and then you see that it has been activated, or it has been extended. That's exactly how to add or design a window and then a door in section in ground floor plan. So in plan how to add a door and then a window. That's what I've just teach. Now you see this is a simple bedroom plan, right? This is the length is 12, and then the breadth is 14 feet, 12 feet. So right now we are going to do the same thing here. So just activate my line. Maybe I don't want this color, this line color. I'll just choose the color of the line that I want. Maybe I want green, blue, whatever. So I'll just draw my horizontal line as I already teach in the previous videos. I will not waste much time on this because it is in the previous video. If you want to go and watch it, you can quickly go and then watch it. It's really helpful. I'll copy, right? Then here I'll apply my measurement as the feet and then inches. So this is 12 feet. This is where I'm talking about here. 12 feet dash 6 inches. You can choose to bring the dash. You can choose not, but if you bring it make it very, very aesthetic. Yeah. So now the reason why I brought this 6 inches is that because right now I want my actual size to be 12 feet, but in building drawing we have standards. Now the standard wall is 6 inches. So if I want the standard length of a bedroom, then I have to add the size of the wall to the size of the bedroom, so that when I apply the wall, I'll get my standard, or I'll get my actual length of the room. That's what I'm trying to say. So you just press your spacebar, it has been activated. The same thing here. You copy down was, you type. You have to make sure that it is straight. You type. Let me make it 14 feet. That's 6 inches. Right, then I'll trim it. I'll add my trim by activating it by right clicking, and I'll add my trim. See that here. Now I'll highlight all, right? Then I'll type wall. Then I'll press spacebar. Now you see that wall, as the command wall is there. Then I'll type CO, short form of convert. Then I'll press enter. You see that erase layout geometry, yes or no. Then I'll type no. I'll press enter. You see that my wall has been activated. I'll press the escape key to deactivate the wall. So you see that here my wall, it doesn't matter the color, because I just wanted to show you how to apply also the colors. That's it. So I'll just highlight this wall and then make the thickness to maybe 53 or 60 millimeters. Yeah, then I'll click on match property so that I can make all of here to be the same thing. So now you can see that here. So let's see the actual size of the building. Now you can see that here is 12 feet, right? instead of 12 feet 6 inches, it's now 12 feet because the thickness of the wall is 6 inches. Okay, I can prove that too. Okay, let's show whether the thickness of the wall is 6 inches or not. So have you seen? So here the thickness of the wall is 6 inches. So the wall has deducted its size from the actual length of the building or the bedroom. That's why the bedroom now becomes 12 feet 0 inches. That means 12 feet. Yeah, so you have to notice this one because it's really very important. You can assume your normal measurement, but when you apply the wall, it is not so. That means that you have to calculate it very well. You have to know that the wall is part, so you have to add the dimension of the wall or the size of the wall to your actual dimension, so that when you apply the wall, it will deduct its size, and then the actual size of the length of the room will be there as you assumed. Now let's get back to the drawing. Now the window, as I already said, you can add your window and then the door as usual, but I've already did some, so I will not waste much time. I'll just copy it to where I want. So see that here is it. Okay, now it didn't fit in the center, so I have to bring it in the center. So here again, I have to make sure that it is in the center. You can even choose to make it 2. It's your choice because you are the architect. Yeah, you are the planner, you are the designer, so whatever you do is your choice. Okay, you highlight this one, you copy, and then you bring it here, and then I'll copy my door. Make sure that I'll drag it. I'll make sure that they open it to the left. Make sure that they open it to the left. So now the last thing that we are going to learn is that how to name this simple bedroom. So you just type T plus spacebar, and then you click on it once. So you see that it has come. Now the style, you have to make sure that it is in Times New Roman. That's what I'll recommend you to use. Yeah, it doesn't matter how big what we call the size of the text is. You have to name it. So it is bedroom. You just name it, and then click on OK or press Ctrl plus Enter. So you see that now it is in there. You just don't be afraid of how big the text is. You just type and then click on. But you have to make sure that okay, let me just show you. You have to make sure that here the text height should be 1 foot or 1 feet 0 inches. So you have to type it. You have to make sure that the text size is 1 foot 0 inches, and then you have to. So I'll just highlight on it, click on move, and then I'll move it to the middle or where I want it to be. So this is a simple plan, a simple bedroom with a dimension of 12 feet by 14 feet. Yeah, so I think I've already teach all. If you can also use this tutorial to learn or to draw maybe a 2-bedroom with a kitchen and a toilet, which we are going to do so in our next tutorial. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so that whenever a video is being uploaded, you'll be able to get it and watch it. Please, you can also share this video for me. Yeah, okay, thank you.